Welcome to Husker Harvest Days.
I've never seen nothing like it.
Is this a freaking cake? I don't know if you'll be popping wheelies in a stock 68.
Ride his ass all along.
What is this, day 2?
Day two.
Day 2.
What, are we up bright and early?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Been up since 4 something or other.
Ford?
4.
I know. So, why did you guys walk over here? What caught your attention?
The car, sweet ass car.
Chromed out engine, kind of a different car.
Yeah, I've never seen nothing like it, especially around where we're from.
Where's that?
Erickson.
Small town?
100 people.
Wow. Are you guys like most of the town?
Pretty much. Yeah.
The whole town showed up. You guys have any favorites? Like newer, older? Anything you lean towards?
79 Impala. Or
Yeah.
76.
Any 70 series Ford Pinto, preferably a highway.
Folks, we got people turning out at the Harvest Days. Let's give them a full walk around, see what they think. What do you guys think of the Pontiac?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. What would be the first thing you do in it?
Do a burnout.
Do a burnout. That's what I say. That's our motto. Do a burnout. Or,
Pop it up. Pop a wheelie.
I don't know if you'll be popping wheelies in a stock 68, but I like the effort. We could find out. I'm making a YouTube short right now. Do you guys have any questions? You guys seem pretty knowledgeable in the car.
How many cubic inches does this thing have?
I think it's a 350. I think it's Pontiac 350. It's fully restored about 23 years ago. It's looking pretty darn good. This one was done this year, and you couldn't really tell the difference, especially after you polish this one. They'd look the same.
What's the fuel economy on this?
Maybe E15. I don't think it's the best. I don't think it's the worst.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, thank you guys. So do yourself a favor and stop by the booth here at Harvest Days. Say hello to Megan, say hello to Todd.
Hi, you should come visit us and say hi if you are out here.
You just threw a hat,
the old Vega hatchback that I didn't even realize these were called. Yeah, interesting.
Back then, you'll port at the cruising van.
Yeah.
At the porthole window and stuff.
Okay.
That's all
The Vega looks similar on
Yeah, on the front end it does. My brother had a
first walked up
76 when we were in high school.
Jeez. You know what? Is this a freaking Vega? No.
That's where we
What is it?
I don't know. I think it's a Vega.
Yeah.
Vega wagon.
Pinto Wagon. Okay.
Who made that?
That was my first spot, Pinto Wagon. Who made that? Ford, right?
I love my Chevy Pinto. We're doing an intro for our YouTube video, and everyone keeps walking by going, "Is that a Vega?"
And blew the cross member, and so we're getting gassed and noised. We were gonna.
So
we
did
were
you
gonna
have
throw it in the
30-degree
ditch
burns?
and ride his ass all the way.
Whines a lot.
You guys are like the Three Musketeers.
Yeah, I remember those side pipes on a Pinto Wagon.
Oh, it looked pretty cool.
Hey, it was probably just second-degree burns. You'll be all right.
There was 3 guys wanted to kill him by the time we got there.
You still got it or no?
He wrecked it. Yeah. I only had
He was pissed at you. That's why he wrecked it.
dry. That's why he wrecked it.
Yeah, it's kind of fidgety. It's a little different. Yep, other way. I had to do the same thing. You just kind of jiggle it. Yep, it'll find its spot.
Oh, that's right, see?
Yeah, you just hold the close. Alrighty, so turn it, and then you want to pump the gas 2 times. 1, 2. Thank you. You just look so natural, and I had to offer. That was a special moment. We did something like that last year, and for me, it's been one of the most memorable moments was watching a young man get in a car that he liked, start it up, and go, "Oh, that's cool." That's what it's about. Guys, welcome to Husker Harvest Days. Let's go. End of day 1 of the official Husker Harvest Days. 2 more days left. Megan has found cows. Todd is doing the deriving.
Look at those cows!
Do it. Just hit it.
Ooh, Todd be hitting it on 2 wheels. Right in here. Day 1 was really fun.
I got a question. Do you guys have anything to say to the YouTube?
Check them out. Subscribe, like, the whole deal.